Okay, they did not, there was not a lot of space for the practice set in your book, but I made some anyway, so hopefully you can fit it in your book too. Let's begin on the practice set for lesson 90. Can you believe it, guys? Awesome. Let's begin. 6 times 8. Now, this is where it's really important that you know your math facts. If you don't know them, use a multiplication sheet, but keep working on learning these because it will make this process a whole lot faster. So let's begin. 6 times 8 is 48. I put my 8 down. I carry my 4. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 4 is 22. Now we're going to go 2 times 8 is 16. Carry my 1. We're going to erase the 4 so we don't get mixed up. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1. Guys, what did I do wrong? Hopefully you noticed it earlier because I messed up. Guys, I forgot to put the 0 down. And I'm also going to erase this because it's kind of in the way. Let's begin again. Let's try this. Okay, but turning on my thing. Oh, I hope you caught that. I hope it doesn't happen when you are doing your math homework. So I did my 1. I multiplied my 1s. After I multiply my 1s, don't forget, put the 0. Don't be like me. Now, thankfully we caught that in time, or else I would have been so sad. All that work and to get messed up. Here we go. Back on track. 2 times 8 is 16. Then we carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. We add these up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. And 7 plus 2 is 9. So our answer is 988. Now, let's try and do this again. We're not going to make any mistakes. 2 times 9 is 18. Carry our 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Don't forget, put that 0 down. 8 times 9 is, I have to think about this, 72. And I'm going to change that into a 7. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 7 is 39. Now let's add this up. 8, 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry the 1, 0, 1, 4,118. We're cooking, guys. 7 times 4, 28. Carry our 2. 7 times 8, 56. Plus 2 is 58. Put our 5 down. Don't forget, put the 0 down. And now, 6 times 4 is 24. There's already a 2 there. How handy. That doesn't always happen, guys, so be very careful. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 2. Oh, don't you just love the number 50? Let's add these guys up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry our 1, 6, 5,628. Our last one on this, and then we have another problem to do. 8 times 5 is 40. So we put our 0 down. Then we put our 4 up here. 8 times 6 is 48. Have you noticed that we've had a few of those? Look, 8 times 6, 8 times 6, 8 times 6. They really want you to remember 8 times 6 is 48, plus 4 is 8 times 6, 48 plus 4 is going to be 52. This is why it's so important that you get really comfortable with your addition, subtraction, and multiplication facts, because this multiplication stuff can really, it's a workout. Now, putting my 0 down. 4 times 5, 20. put my 2. I'm going to put it right over my 4. 2. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 2 is 26. Now let's add these up. 0, 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry our 1. 3,120. Now, our final problem. Maya is renting 21 tables. I'm going to park this right here. She's renting 21 tables. And each one costs $29 to rent. Explain how Maya can make a reasonable estimate on the charge. So reasonable estimate, that tells us, okay, you don't have to worry. So I'm going to round 21 to 20. And I'm going to round 29 because it's super close to $30. So I'm going to say she's going to rent 20 tables at about $30 a table. So let's do this. I put my 2 zeros and then I do my 6. And we have $600. And this is a reasonable amount. And that's why I love multiplying with multiples of 10. It's super slick. Well, thanks for sticking with me. Good luck on your homework. Let me know if you have any problems. Keep practicing this. This does take you developing kind of almost a muscle memory of the process, the route that you need to take. So the only way, if you're struggling, the only way that I find that's helpful to learn is to go slowly and follow along and just do it over and over and over. Eventually it clicks. Until then, be patient and have a great day, guys.